All right, time to leave the goblin's lair. Try to hold this steady. I don't have really anything but my iPhone. No gyroscope yet. I do own one, but I got to make it up this rock face here. And I'll tell you, I'm a little concerned being all alone because it's not an easy scramble. All right, and then I got to show this to you because now I've got my light on. This is the cave that freaked me out. It goes way back. I don't know how far. I didn't get to the end. I'm telling you, it goes way back in there. There's some big old boulders. You would not want to be in here during an earthquake. Honestly, I don't think you'd want to be in this cathedral during an earthquake. By the size of these boulders on the ground, these didn't just grow up like flowers. This place is awesome. And it's freaky! Okay, I don't know if I can turn this around for my face, but I'll try it. This is Wild Watticus Watts. 2, 3, peace out.